Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again for another video. Tonight, I am going to show you the video, not the one that had that turquoise and pink and burgundy background. I'm going to show you the one after that one, which is the one that I just released prior to this video. The burgundy one is taking a longer time to dry. I don't know if it's the paint, maybe I had too much on, but I'm waiting for that one to dry and I'll show you in my next video. But I'm so excited because the green one that I just did dried amazing. I'm super happy with these color palettes. Tell me what you guys think about it. Leave your comments in the comment section below and suggest ideas. What do you want to see? Welcome to all new viewers. Just go ahead, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click on that subscription button. I will really appreciate your support to my channel. And I am going to show you the painting now. Wait till you see this one. I love the burst of colors. It's just amazing. So here she is. Take a look at this beauty. Tell me what you think about this one. This is a bright one. It just energizes you, doesn't it? Tell me what you think about this color combo. I'm super happy with it. And again, any orientation works for you to hang it. If you're interested in this piece, make sure you email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. And tell me, guys, what do you think about this? This is a beautiful piece. I'm bringing it in closer so you can look at the details. And it does have a lot of shine to it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today's color palette, it's interesting. We'll see what happens. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Once again, we're working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I am gonna tell you the colors we're gonna go ahead and flood with. So here I have Pearl Umber by Winsor and Newton. Then I have VanDyke Brown by Amsterdam. And my next color is Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. So take a look at those colors. Look at that. Beautiful and interesting color palette. Okay, so those are my colors. I'm going to go ahead and get started flooding my canvas. And I'm going to start from the bottles because I think I have enough. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is interesting. We'll see how that turns out. So the first color I want to layer down, and I'm thinking about it now. I need a light color under there. Give me one moment. I just want to break up these colors because it is very, very dark, and I want to make sure my lighter colors don't get swallowed up. So Pearl White by Amsterdam first. And I did put a lot of it in because I want to make sure I kind of separate them. So, Pearl White. Next color I have is Terra Rossa by Pebeo. This is a lot like that brown, a little bit with like a violet shade or plum color. So there. Next, I have Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. This is where it starts to get interesting, guys. Just bear with me. We'll see how this turns out. We're going to find out together. Okay. Next, I have Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. Okay. Next, I have a 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And I'm going to do just like a smidge of this. Perfect. Perfect. The perfect amount. Now, this is interesting, and I haven't used this color. Opera Rose by Winsor and Newton. And I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I am going to stick this right in here. It could be a disaster. I don't know. We'll find out together. And last color I have is Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. Okay. Oh boy. We'll see what how this turns out. We're going to go ahead and torch the bubbles, and we will begin. Okay, here we go. And I am going to start this way. Oh, wow, guys. Wait until you see this one. This is amazing. I am happy. I'm going to blow in here because I want some colors coming this way. Oh, wow. I'm not going to do anything to this because I love this. I'm going to clean up my edges. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here she is. And I know I say this about all my paintings, that I love it. But I am super, super happy with this color combination. I don't know if it was the mix of the paint brands, but look at the explosion of cells and the colors. Now, I am very happy that I added the Opera Rose by Winsor and Newton, because just look, this color works throughout this painting, giving it a pop of color. So I am happy that I did put that color in. Tell me, what do you guys think? And I'm going to take you in so you can take a look at these petals that I'm just going crazy over. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Now okay, take a look at this. How beautiful. So much detail in this petal. It's just amazing. I love it, and it's throughout the painting. So you see, as I branch down, look at the explosion. Look at the large cells. Check this out. That's the stream of colors going down, and look at that. Beautiful. And now I'm going to come back and look at this. Wow. I am completely in love with this color palette because the earth tones are my colors. So this is right up my alley. Take a look at this. Beautiful. I'm so happy I put these colors in. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I can't wait for this one to dry. This is absolutely a gorgeous piece. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.